Madison Media, the only major Indian ad agency that doesn't still have a foreign partner, is up for sale. ET Now Sonali Krishna really brings in all the exclusive details on that. Sonali, good to have you on the show. Tell us all the exclusive that you have on who could be looking at Madison for a buyout.
Right, Nisha. I mean, this is really, news that will shake the industry because, I mean, this has been expected for a while. But, Madison Media is India's only homegrown media agency, founded by Sam Balsara. Madison Media and Sam Balsara, of course, are synonymous terms. Now, what we've been given to believe is because Sam Balsara was not keeping too well in the last few months, his health has, suffered quite a bit. And the fact that, his daughter, Lara Balsara, who's been seen around him and he's been trying to groom her for years, is young still in the profession and hasn't been able to kind of create the kind of stature Sam has, obviously, has decided to put up Madison Media up for sale. What we also hear is, two major contenders for Madison Media. One in Dentsu, which is the Japanese advertising giant that has really gotten very aggressive, in recent times in the Indian market. I mean, their last being, the acquisition of Taproot in India and Aegis Media, and this is what we hear they're eyeing as their next big buy. And the other, of course, being WPP, the CEO is Martin Sorrell, and he's always been very big on the region, and he's been in talks with Martin for several years. He's been in talks with Sam Balsara for several years. What we hear is, now that, Sam is willing to give up his media empire, these talks may actually be very accelerated. In fact, what we hear is, he has, roped in a UK-based M&A firm to take this deal forward and really identify a buyer for the best price in possibly a competitive bidding process. However, Sam Balsara, did respond to an official mail sent by me saying that they are interested in bringing in a joint venture partner. Of course, given that there are the cultural nuances are the same, and the employees gain all of that, of course. But has categorically denied that he has roped in an M&A firm. So while he has denied that, sources indicate that has actually happened, and in fact, some even say that a proposal is going to be sent to Dentsu in the United States of America. Martin Sorrell is already on his way to India. So I mean, very interesting times for the media landscape, and this deal is really going to shake the media industry up. Back to you.